Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collar Cruising. As you guys know, we've been following the Vista. It seems like they have the speed, and it looks like, especially in this picture, that both of the props are working right, and so that's good news. However, nothing good comes after the however. You see that right there? That looks like oil. Looks like oil. Do we have a leaky ship? I don't know. That looks like a problem to me. No one has said anything about it. They are currently in Montego Bay. This is where this picture is taken from. Montego Bay, Jamaica. And it's looking like that's an oil spill maybe. I could be wrong. It could be something totally different. You know, sometimes when you get into this bay, you're kicking up a lot of things, right? You'll see, the props and the thrusters, they will kick up a lot of things off the bottom. And hopefully that's what that is, but this looks abnormal to me. This does not look like stuff from the bottom of the ocean or the bay, whatever. It's so. Anyways, guys, just an update on the Carnival Vista. We plan on sailing on her on June 4th, this Saturday. Okay, this Saturday we will be on a Carnival Vista whether they like it or not. I'm just saying. So this is just something that I just saw here on Facebook. Hopefully it's nothing, but we'll be watching this. 73.